Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today we're talking about Fit My Foot. Fit My Foot is a company that makes custom insoles, very affordable, really great insoles, as well as custom sandals, flip-flops. And today wanted to share this with you because they've added something new for customization, which is very cool. But if you are someone that is dealing with plantar fasciitis or foot pain or looking to replace your insoles, Fit My Foot is a really great way to go. Back in 2017, I was dealing with plantar fasciitis on both my feet, really painful. I was at a party and I bumped into somebody that I know. Her father happened to be a podiatrist. And I said, what I'm dealing with, she goes, you need to get these insoles. And at the time they were called Weave, and they since then have changed their name. And I went ahead and ordered them, and I was so thankful. But right when I learned about that, I had just had custom expensive insole orthotics made for me, which I did not like at all. And then when I got these, I'm like, oh my goodness, this was such a blessing for me to get them because I was in just so much pain and they made such an impact. But since the original versions of the insoles, they have improved the product so much, and especially the heel cup is so much softer and the material more comfortable on your foot. So I wanted to share with you, if you are looking to get insoles and you are dealing especially with foot pain, check these out, extremely affordable. Now, I will be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you could save 20%. And these really are affordable, but yet so effective. So when you come to the website, you'll see here, shop insoles, shop sandals. They do have free shipping over $150, 30-day money-back guarantee, and it is HSA and FSA eligible, which is cool. So if you got money there. And so here, again, they just show the difference in, buying off-the-shelf products versus a product like this. And I know there's a lot of custom insoles out there, but really these I highly recommend. And you'll see the steps. They use an app, which is really cool to take your photos, and they create these insoles that match your feet. And this bottom part here of the insole is you can see this is my arch, and then this gives you that support, and you can put your name on there. So really cool. And you can all customize the colors and what they have, but you can see here they have over 100,000 happy customers. It says a whole lot about the product. You can read and see these testimonials. They've gotten a lot of recognition, and there you go. So you can check that out. Now, what's really cool with the insoles, let me share with you. First of all, you can personalize it, and this is something which is new, which is really cool. So if you've got your favorite dog photos or something you really want to have something neat on there rather than picking one of their standard options. You can see they have these standard colors, or if you even like one of their patterns, you can go that route too. If you're into tie-dye, which is kind of neat, you can go that route as well. And then they also have a wool option, which is great if you live in a colder climate, keep your feet warm with the same technology. So here's what's very cool. So let's just say you want to personalize the insoles. You click personalize. Here I got 263 reviews, 5 stars. So again, you can check it out. Again, don't forget, this is HSA, FSA available, and they're made in the United States, which is very cool. So you can, see and learn all about the product and what they've done. And so really great. It just talks about the benefits of it. And so a lot of really good information here. You can see a traditional insert. Look how that versus having the right arch support. So good. I so highly recommend it. Now we're going to go ahead and customize this. And I use these in my hiking shoes. So love it. It's giving me great support for hiking. So you're going to personalize, and then you're going to pick 2 photos. So my little buddy Travis, which I posted a lot of his photos, picked a couple of them that I think I'm going to go with because I need to order another pair. And it's been several years. It'd be good to have an extra pair. And so I got this side, and then the next we're gonna do this image. And this is a great photo of him when his mom took his anniversary of his adoption. Oh, I need to make that back smaller again. Here again, you can see you can really adjust it to how you like. And now I'm gonna click on that, and now I'm gonna enlarge in that. And there we go. So now it's all customized, and you wanna make sure to get that. How cool is that? And then all you simply do is add to cart, and you check out, and then you're good to go. So again, $99, but you get 20% off, so that's a nice savings. Now, as I mentioned too, they also have the sandals for men and women. I love them. I've got a couple of pairs of those as well. And what's cool is you can pick, you can see here, the footbed, so you can choose the color, and then you can also pick the strap as well. And if you want to buy extra straps, you can do that. These come off, and I'll put the links to the videos that I've done in the past. And these were, at the time, they were called weaves, so they've had the name change for a little while now. So do check it out. These are truly amazing. You can see they have interchangeable straps, and it's so cool. I highly recommend them, and so you can come here, read the reviews. They're fantastic. Your feet will smile, you'll smile. Makes it extremely affordable. Read the testimonials, check it out. Don't only take my word for it. You know, they sell itself. They're really fantastic, highly recommended. So if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm really excited about this new custom insole, as now I can have my little buddy Travis on my insoles, and you can do the same thing if that's of interest to you. Most importantly, again, you're getting a custom insole that is affordable, that works, and people love. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.